There we go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Kubeflow Pipelines community meeting. Today's date is August 12th, 2026. This meeting is governed by the CNCF Code of Conduct. This meeting is being recorded and will be uploaded to the Kubeflow YouTube account after the call has ended. Um, It'll definitely be up by tomorrow for sure. With that said, let me go ahead and share the agenda and we can get started. Okay, so first topic. Oh, well, first of all, um, if there's any new attendees on the call, please feel free to introduce yourselves if you so choose to. Else, it's fine too if you just want to hang around.
Hey guys, my name is Sneh. Um, I've been contributing to pipelines through last month, and I'm studying at Triple IT Gwalior, and it's been amazing at work at Kubeflow. I've also been contributing to Docs Agent as well.
Nice. Welcome. Anyone else?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Harsh, and I'm currently pursuing BTech in Triple IT Kota, and I'm contributing in Kubeflow since last 3 months. And it's glad to have a participant of this amazing project. And I have also tried to explore more about the pipelines. Yeah, that's all.
Awesome.
So hey everyone, I'm Divyesh. So I'm from Sri Lanka. So I've been the national top of Sri Lanka in Cambridge computer science. So I've been contributing to open source like NumPy, Rust, and so much. So I'm looking forward to term 3 of LFX and looking forward to like contribute to this. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Nice. Glad to have you. Um, okay. Anybody else? Any takers? Uh, okay. Great to have all you guys here. Hope we get to see some great contributions and collaboration. Um, with that said, Alyssa, you have the first topic. I wonder what it's about.
Wonder what it's about. Awesome. Yeah. Hey, everyone. Just wanted to provide kind of a quick update on where we're at with the AI issue triage work that we had. If you guys are interested in more of the context on this, we'd talked extensively over a couple of solutions in the call 2 weeks ago. But so this is an effort that Michael Shrisky and myself are implementing. And so we, after a couple weeks of kind of experimentation on some different approaches, on some different token limits, we've decided for the time being that adding a agentic skill for issue triage to the KFP repo that maintainers can run before each bi-weekly meeting, because we're in the interest of getting this done as soon as possible, and that we will continue working on a more optimized CI workflow using GitHub Copilot, but just to have that in as quick as possible. And so that's our update there. Shristi, if you have anything to add, go ahead. Shristi also has, if you want to send it in the chat, a PR up for the current workflow that she's put together.
Yeah, hi. No, Alisa, everything you have covered. And so I think we have covered everything. And yes, we can add the skills one for the time being when we are experimenting with Copilot and CI workflow.
For those of you who have been following along, it's been a quite extended kind of research process on our part, and we're definitely interested in getting a solution implemented ASAP. So that's where the agentic skill will come in.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. I would love to see this in action. I did not get to try the agentic workflow, like compiling it from my account for pipelines. I think honestly, anybody that has maintainer access could probably just run that command. But I would like that initial markdown. I think it'd be good to use, the one that you and Tristy had first created, and then we can use that to generate that workflow YAML lock file. Like I think it's like, yeah, that's what they call it. So yeah, if this works fine, I'm also cool to just leave it. I'm pretty sure other maintainers would be fine with that too.
Cool. Yeah, that sounds good.
Awesome.
And so the thinking would be that that would be a GitHub agentic workflow that a maintainer would kick off at the start of each meeting.
Yeah.
Okay. So we wouldn't need that local it to run locally, which would be great.
Yeah.
Just makes
Yeah.
things even easier.
Yeah. I think the
Awesome.
I think that agentic workflow should just be running in the background too. Like if
Yep.
it's from the GitHub one, so it removes more. I see there is a well,
Yeah, it's
anything
mine.
else you were sorry sorry, Sneh. Just real quick, Shristi or Alyssa, anything else you want to add to this before we move on? Or
Nothing else
I'll
from
make
my
sure to
end.
review this today for sure.
No,
We
nothing.
will probably have
Thanks.
it in.
Thanks, Michael.
Okay. Sorry, Sneh. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so the issue was opened 2 years ago about if you could open the peer. So yeah, the issue is like the KFP component signature couldn't understand the different types like the string and the dictionary. So everyone has to be downgraded to the dictionary type. So this basically introduces a simple way that everyone could use the pydantic models automatically. So the fix I used was a simple helper like type hint for it, and basically used compile and execute things, validate the pydantic model.
Okay, so is
Uh,
it? Oh, sorry, go ahead.
I also reviewed this PR and I think it makes sense for our repository.
Oh, didn't even know she had a review on it. Nice. Okay. Well, first let's unblock CI, and then we can go with that for now. But I think, yeah, I don't have any concerns about supporting Pydantic models. Um, I'm I'm just kind of curious how it'll play out with, I don't know, downstream users and their implementations of subclasses of models that we have for like different artifacts. Um, Might not be a problem, but we'll see. Um, okay. Yeah. I'll make sure I could get some other folks from Capital One to give this a review as well, or put it on their radar.
Yeah, sounds perfect.
Awesome. And I see there's another one here. Who's anyone want to claim this topic?
Yeah, so hello everyone. So actually, I have been working on this from past 2 months and past 4 months actually, and everything is done, and only the merging is left right now. I have also addressed the reviews and comments over there, and CI has been also passed. So if you could please take a look over it.
Okay. Oh, sorry, it's been over so long. This was YouTube placeholder resolution should be time. Okay, yeah. I'm fine. Yeah, this makes sense to me. good on Helper for driving this all the way through. Oh man.
Yeah, I just reached out to
Okay.
Helper and I see that he canceled his approve 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So I think a re-review from him is probably warranted. So just if you can tag Helber, I can also, is Helber in the call? He is
He's not on the
not.
call, I don't believe. I know his power's out.
Oh, I see. Alyssa, maybe you could tag him in like the internal team channel and say that this was brought up during the call. It
I'll do
looks like
that.
he had approved it, so
Yeah,
thanks.
sure. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thanks for bringing it up.
Yeah. Floor is open. If there's anything else anybody wants to bring up?
Yeah, I guess I could quickly mention that the PR for, hold on, the MLMD removal is up against master. Jeff's bar is currently adding the UI pieces. Once that is complete, we're going to go a UI review and then it should be hopefully merged. We will be disabling the upgrade CI once it's merged because that will continue to fail until the migration is in place. I'll link the PR here. Hold on. Oops. Yeah, well, PR is has UI development now going on. Okay, just FYI, if this ends up getting merged before any PRs that touch driver launcher, then you'll likely have to do a rebase as a lot of the core logic there is changing. So I see that Jeff is doing the development against the same branch. I might ask him to do it against a PR against this branch, just so I can keep it rebased against master since it conflicts very quickly. So yeah, so that's a quick update.
Nice.
It's a
Can't
very,
wait.
very big PR. Very big. So
It's been in the making.
uh, and basically, just a reminder to everyone, once it's merged, we're going to be in a sort of a minor release freeze until we can add migration and let it simmer and master for a bit. So hopefully that won't be too long though. And we'll want to like follow up with removing V1 APIs as well. That this PR doesn't do that.
Yeah, it's supposed to be its own separate one, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense. It's big enough already.
Huh?
No, I was
Yeah,
saying the PR is big enough already, there's no
yeah,
need
it
to just
is.
tack on more, even though it's,
Mhm.
it's mainly deletions, right?
Well, it adds a whole new API to the API server to accommodate the deletion. So saying that it's just like LMD removal is a bit of an understatement because it's adding a lot of new API to the API server. So there is like a bunch of features that are also tied with this. But the core driving factor is that MLMD is being removed. So
Oh, can't wait. Can't wait. Floor is open for anyone else. I think this is the fastest agenda that we've ever gone through.
we've done faster. There have been like two
We're just
items.
meeting canceled. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You never know. Sometimes it's like one topic and it takes up the entire, more topics get added. Somebody's adding topics. So
Yes.
Not maybe a formal topic, but the LFX Linux Foundation mentoring program that we have a KFP project open for applications for that close a week from today on August 19th. I can drop a link as well in the doc.
Avoid +1 queries on the
So
run.
this PR adds a step count for that, basically to request, like it was getting multiple requests in the front end, so instead it merges all. And the second thing that it fixes is that every the API calls were around 20 to like very much, so it groups it into one thing and only a single API used to call it.
Okay. I think I recall Alex r- running into something like this. Um, I thought he had it fixed in a different one. Um, yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'll see if Alex has capacity to review this. Else I could take a look at it later. I'll I'll keep it up. I like opening all the PRs and then I just have to tackle each tab at a time.
Yeah.
Um, awesome. And is this for specific issues or projects for this, or is just in general? Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. So Matt and I are co-mentoring a project that we've gotten approved and everything. It's for this fall, and applications close a week from today.
Nice. So you heard it here, folks. Apply. I assume
Yeah,
it's open. Yeah, open apply.
I have applied for this, and I want to ask if any one maintainer of you are free to review any of our proposals. I have applied for this.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we could. Yeah.
So
Sorry, go
can
yeah.
ahead,
I?
Go
Alyssa.
ahead and send it in the main KFP contributors or the Kubeflow pipelines channels on CNCF Slack. Depending on capacity, we may be able to review.
I will DM. I will share message on Slack. Kubeflow pipeline.
Awesome. Great. Um, I think I'm gonna hit the big red button. Uh, if I can find it. All right. I guess that's it.